Hi, welcome to your class CIS 124 Excels 1. I'm so excited that you are here. We're going to have a fantastic time together learning about Excel. Well, I would like to make sure that every one of you knows that this is an online class. So we don't going to have classes in person or by Zoom, but we have office hours. If you would like to check something or you are not totally sure how to do an assignment, well, just go to syllabus, go right here on the link, and here it's going to tell you the office hours for the class, okay? Please check yours because maybe change by semester, okay? Perfect. So I'm going to come back. All right. Here, you already received an email from me telling you how to get in Canvas. If you have questions, please contact me or tutor area on the library and they can help you. Moving on, if you already start the course, you're going to find this picture that I have right here. That is your homepage of your course. So if you are not totally sure how to start, just click here, start here, and it's going to go to models. You need to start from model 0. Remember that model 0 and model 1 needs to be done the first week. So try to do it. And one of the assignments on model 1, that is the 1.1, needs to be delivered by next Wednesday. So take attention on that. All right, let's continue. If you have troubles and you want to contact me, you can go here and contact me, and it's going to give you my information. Also, if you have struggling with Canvas or you need technical support, just click here on technical support. Well, this is our welcome video. I hope you see you during the semester, and I'm going to be here answer your questions. Remember that when you send me a question, it takes me from 24 to 48 hours to answer from Monday to Friday. On weekends, I'm off. So try to send me questions during the week. And if you submit an assignment, I typically send all the information of the assignments 1 week after your assignment was submitted. So if you are waiting for a reply, please hold a little bit and I'm going to do it. Especially on discussions, it takes me like a week to grade everything, and I hope you have all the information. Well, this is all for this video. See you next time. Have a nice weekend. Bye.